Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So today we'll be starting a new series on Linux System Administrator. So in this series we will be learning about the role of a system administrator, how to use the Linux operating system, mainly the Red Hat one, which is mainly used for the system administrator purposes. So this series will be very useful for those who are preparing for Linux system administrator jobs or also for those who are preparing for cybersecurity roles. So let's get started. So before starting, we should know who is a Linux administrator. So a Linux administrator is a backend IT specialist who installs, configures, and maintains Linux operating system in the following ways. He install and configure Linux systems, including backend databases and scripts, perform system maintenance by reviewing error logs, create system backups. So from this you got the idea what is the job role of a Linux administrator. So skills required for an administrator are a Red Hat Linux. Red Hat Linux is mainly Linux operating system which is widely used in the job role of a Linux administrator. So you should know Red Hat Linux, also known as RHCL. So further you should know security skills, monitoring skills, and analytical skills, and database management. And the background or the job or the profile you need a bachelor's degree in the field of a computer science or information technology. The salary start from $50,000 to $1 lakh. It may vary as per your experience. So now we should know the roles of a Linux administrator. So first, identification and configuration of a Linux file, then monitoring system performance, then perform backups and restore operations, then managing user accounts or groups, then providing security policies for user system and network, then managing software and application programs, then changing the file system and ownership. So these are the basic roles of a Linux administrator that he performs during his job role. So further, if you want to boost your Linux administrator career, then you can try these certifications from Red Hat, CompTIA, Cisco, Microsoft, VMware. This will definitely boost your profile and help you to get a job easily. So in this series, we will be mainly focusing on the Red Hat System Administrator exam, that is the RHCSA from Red Hat. So about RHCSA exam EX200. So RHCSA is an entry level certification that focuses on competencies at system administrator, including installation and configuration of a Red Hat Enterprise Linux system and attach it to a live network and running network services. So let's talk about the exam. So time duration of the exam is 3 hours and maximum marks is 300, and the passing marks are 70%, that is 210 out of 300. The mode for the exam will be all offline, and the fees is $400 as per the US. And attempts, there are 2 attempts in 1 voucher. If you failed the first one, then you have second attempt for free. Remember, you need to give the second attempt prior to 90 days before the first attempt. So this is some information about the RHCS exam, which is entry level certification in the Linux system administrator job. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is an introduction video for our new course. Soon we will start our series. In the first video we will learn how can we install the Red Hat Enterprise Linux or RHEL in our VMware virtual machine or virtual box. So stay tuned for the upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like the video. If you have any confusion or any question, then you can ask in the comment section.